Welcome to Del Webb, Carolina Ridge, a 55-plus active adult community in Midland, North Carolina, where a new season of life begins. With a location near Charlotte, Mint Hill, Concord, and Harrisburg, this community offers peaceful, low-maintenance living enhanced by abundant on-site amenities, including a resort-style clubhouse, fitness and wellness facilities, pickleball courts, walking trails, and a lifestyle director curating events in vibrant social spaces designed for active adult living. Set within a thoughtfully designed 670-acre master plan community with 1,110 total home sites, Del Webb Carolina Ridge will feature 497 home sites, creating a spacious yet connected neighborhood ideal for active adult lifestyles.
Hi, I'm Scott Herr, President for Del Webb in Charlotte, North Carolina. Del Webb Carolina Ridge is designed specifically for active adults who want more from their next chapter. More connection, more possibilities, and more ways to enjoy each day. Tucked in a serene setting, yet close to everything Charlotte has to offer, this community blends the best of both worlds. A quiet retreat with easy access to family, city life, and everyday conveniences. Here you'll find a community that reflects Del Webb's long-standing legacy of building exceptional active adult communities across the country, now brought to life in the rolling hills of Midland.
I'm Kelly Sides, Vice President of Sales for Del Webb Charlotte. Del Webb Carolina Ridge is all about convenience and lifestyle. Imagine starting your day with a walk along scenic trails, meeting friends for coffee in the clubhouse, and ending the evening with a concert or event at the amphitheater. Our resort-style amenities are designed to inspire and connect, featuring a stunning 12,000 square foot clubhouse with vibrant indoor and outdoor gathering spaces, a state-of-the-art fitness center and movement yoga studios, and a sparkling resort-style pool perfect for relaxing or socializing. Enjoy friendly competition on the pickleball courts, practice your short game on the putting green, or try your hand at our golf simulator. Bring your furry friends to the dog park and unwind with neighbors in the inviting outdoor pavilions. Every corner of the community is crafted for fun, connection, and the active social lifestyle you deserve. With a dedicated lifestyle director curating clubs, classes, and social events, it's easy to stay engaged and connected. But the action doesn't stop there. Outdoor enthusiasts will enjoy being close to Reedy Creek and Sherman Branch nature preserves, offering miles of trails, natural beauty, and opportunity to enjoy the outdoors. With easy access to Charlotte Douglas International Airport, travel and connectivity are always within reach. Plus, residents enjoy everyday conveniences just minutes outside the community from nearby shopping centers like Publix, Target, Lowe's, Walmart, and Chick-fil-A, as well as nearby Novant Health and Atrium Health facilities, making errands, appointments, and everyday living effortless.
Hi, I'm Jill Gadd, Community Sales Manager at Del Webb Carolina Ridge. Here at Del Webb Carolina Ridge, you can choose from 11 flexible, single-level living floor plans with second-floor options, all designed for both how you live today and tomorrow. Homes range from 1,200 to over 3,500 square feet and include 2- and 3-car garage options, giving you plenty of space for living, hobbies, and storage. Whether you love hosting overnight guests, need space for hobbies, or simply want a home that fits your lifestyle perfectly, we'll help you find the floor plan that's right for you. Your home can be truly your own. Work with our local design center to select curated finishes, create a gourmet kitchen for entertaining, design luxurious bathrooms, or add flexible rooms that adapt to your needs. Outdoor living spaces, sunrooms, and cozy nooks let you enjoy every moment, whether it's relaxing, connecting with friends, or hosting family gatherings. At Del Webb Carolina Ridge, it's not just about where you live, it's about how you live, in a home designed for comfort, connection, and the vibrant, active lifestyle you've earned.
Hi, I'm Chris Branham, Director of Build Quality. At Del Webb, building your home is backed by over 70 years of home building expertise, ensuring every residence meets our unmatched standard of excellence. Our homes are crafted with meticulous attention to detail, guided by strict quality control measures that evolve based on homeowner feedback. From the first foundation pour to the final walkthrough, Our 10-step build quality process keeps you informed and engaged, so you can see the craftsmanship come to life firsthand. And with an industry-leading warranty, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is built to last. We're excited to bring this same dedication and expertise to Del Webb, Carolina Ridge. Land development is underway and our model park is set to open in fall 2026, giving future homeowners the chance to experience our homes and community firsthand. This is our commitment to delivering exceptional homes and a vibrant, quality lifestyle tailored just for you.
Opening fall 2026, Del Webb, Carolina Ridge is more than a community. It's your next chapter. If you're ready for a lifestyle centered on wellness, friendships, and ease, join our VIP list and learn more at live@carolinaridge.com. Del Webb, Carolina Ridge. Welcome to the best years ahead.